Today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the Nokia G10 for a screen, battery, charging port, anything repair from inside. So first of all, we need to disassemble the phone, and this phone is a little bit complicated. So first of all, we need to heat up the back, and because the back is glued, here is the Nokia phone. So it's with 3 cameras. First take the SIM card tray out. It's got the fingerprint as well on the side, and we have got 2 phones today, so they both got the screen damage. And first of all, we need to use some tools like this to take the back off. And we need these type of tools as well to take the back off. So the glue was on all over there, so we need to take this back off, because I have seen in some video people just showing they can like open the phone like to take this frame off, but the frame got screw-ons all the sides. So that's why it was a little bit complicated. And once you know the right procedure, it's really easy to take the first back, which is plastic made, and you don't need to worry if it's gonna get broken. Start from the end. These tools are a really helpful tool. So the plastic, it's really easy when you have got a professional tool to remove the back. So here is another back off of from the phone. So then now we need to take the screws off. After taking all the screws off, then you need to take the back off. Start from the volume button, and it's quite easy. You need to be careful for the fingerprint in the volume and power buttons. So once So you need to take the camera lens off like that, and there is a hidden screw under the camera lens. It's really easy to take it off. So you disconnect the battery, and there are a few step 1, step 2, step 3. So you need to take the battery off, then you can replace the screen. Nokia G10.